Good afternoon, Kelowna. This is Cole back with you from Kelowna Chevrolet. Behind me, I have a 2019 GMC Sierra 1500 Denali. Let's go take a walk around. So starting up front, we do have that 5.3 liter V8 giving you 383 foot-pounds of torque. And coming around side here, we do have 20-inch alloy wheels with all-terrain tires. We have the chrome mirrors with the chrome door handles. Coming around back here, you have the side steps and the bumper. You have two buttons to release the tailgate. The bottom one is for the full tailgate, and the top one is to release the step to make it a little bit easier to get in the back. Now this is a short box crew cab, and in the box there you do have the LED lighting. We're inside this 2019 Denali. To the door panels we have your mirror controls, your window, seat memory. Up here you have your drive mode select, four-wheel drive, automatic four-wheel drive, and you also have your headlights. Emergency park brake down below here. And to your dash, it's showing 43,151 kilometers. Over here is your heads-up display, the info that you want to show on it, and also the brightness. We have your heated steering wheel, cruise control settings, hands-free, and your dash view settings here. So you just click the buttons, it changes like so. You have a storage cubby up top there. Infotainment screen, dual zone climate control, heated and ventilated seats. You have your trailer brake, you have your USB wireless charging, storage bin, and cup holders. Up top you have your digital rear view mirror along with your sunroof. And checking out the back here, this is a crew cab, so you have the extra leg room, you have the extra storage bins, and behind the seat here, cup holders. The seats do fold up and you do have the storage bins down below. And you do have the heated seats in the back here along with the USB inputs. Thank you guys for watching this video on the 2019 GMC Sierra 1500 Denali. For more information on this truck, feel free to give us a call or drop by our dealership. We'll be more than happy to help you out. Thank you and have a great day.